Hello everyone, I just want to show you how I use the wide washi tapes to create these card tags. Actually the washi tapes were used as a base for the tags, as you can see here. I can show you a few designs that are really suitable for the tags. This makes a nice background. It's a floral wildflower background. I also have this one. This is a French vintage theme. This actually is one of our widest tapes at 12 centimeters wide, so it makes an excellent base for the card. You can actually watch my tutorial on creating these card tags, but right now I will just show you what I did for a few of the designs here. This is an Alice in Wonderland theme. The back actually was coated with some metallic paint. I just used a soft brush to make this effect. I also used metallic paint here, added this die cut label. So you can use this label to write notes or names on it. And then to make it with a nice vintage feel, I added some metallic paint on the sides, on the edges. I've also used some stamping here as a background. This actually is a die cut washi tape, so it creates a nice border for the card. This was a Christmas nutcracker theme. This is actually a PET tape that I backed on some cardstock and then cut around to give it a bit of layer. I guess it gives it more depth. You can also use some metallic paint as a background and then stamp on top of it. I punched a hole here. Later I will just put a ribbon to make this a tag. Actually, you can use all sorts of extra scraps to decorate. I'd use some die cuts, some tags, kind of torn bits of washi tape down here. This I haven't finished yet, but this is a base with the metallic paint. I will do some stamping later and add some die cuts and different elements.